order, then they will deliver the goods. That is called good receipt. Once we receive the goods into our warehouse or our purchasing department, they will enter into the SAP. Up to here, this is part of the purchasing team or SAP MM. So these three business processes is part of MM. Once we receive invoice from the vendor, from that it will be part of the finance team, and that is covered with SAP FIAP, accounts payable. Then we do the invoice verification. So what is in the invoice verification? That means we have to verify our invoice against the purchase order and against the good receipt. So we have to see, okay, our purchase order is 100 quantities, good receipt is 100 quantities, but they invoice for 110. That is mean there is a conflict between these three documents. In that case, we will block the invoice and we will contact the vendor and verify how come you invoice more, or sometimes it will be less, or sometimes it will be. So anything if these three are not matching, the purchase order, good receipt and invoice, immediately we will block the vendor for payment. That is part of the invoice verification. So this will be done automated with the SAP. So as soon as you enter the purchase, you create the purchase order, SAP knows all the purchase order details. Then once you receive the goods, the purchasing department enter the details into the SAP. Then we have the purchase order and good receipt. Once you receive the invoice, you enter the invoice, it automatically check all the three components, and the SAP will say, okay, there is a conflict between invoice, and immediately the SAP will block it. Then manually you have to go and check with the vendor and find out the difference and adjust to your invoice and unblock the invoice, then you do the payment. If all the three are good, there is no issue. Your invoice is good, your good receipt is good, your purchase order good, then automatically SAP will do the next level, invoice processing. So in invoice processing, it checks the due date. SAP will check the due date, and we run a program that is called APP, Automatic Payment Program.